Hello everyone, Matteo here, welcome back in my RC garage. Thanks again for watching. I have a new box here on my workbench. It's the Firehorse 118 scaler from ROC Hobby. It comes ready to run, fully assembled and with radio, battery and charger. Despite its small size, it has many scale details and a fully functional suspension, just like the real car. There is a scale interior, functional lights and indicators, and the electronics are water resistant. It's powered by a 55-turn brushed motor and a 2-cell LiPo batteries included. On the box, a good-looking Jeep. But now let's see what it looks like in real life. It's very well packed in this hard foam box. This is the radio. It's a small 2.4 GHz pistol transmitter. And this is the truck. It's really cute in this small size. Here in this pack is a small tool and a charging cable. And an instruction manual is also included. It really has a lot of details for its size. Spare tire, molded door handles, wipers, side mirrors and a snorkel. The tires are soft and have a realistic aggressive tread. The suspension feels soft, and I think the shocks are well adjusted to the weight of the car. From below you can see the rigid axles with 4-link suspension. This 4-link suspension allows a great articulation of the axles, as on bigger trucks. The shocks have a coil spring and are not filled with oil. I think due to the light weight of the truck this should be fine. The steering servo is installed on the chassis and this is better for the scale appearance. The electronics are installed under the hood. The speed controller and the steering servo. And here, a bit hidden, is the battery compartment. This is the 2-cell LiPo battery with 350 mAh capacity. On the box it says with it a driving time of about 30 minutes is possible. To charge the battery we need a USB charger, and with this the battery is fully charged in about 20 minutes. The transmitter needs 4 AAA batteries. The red light indicates that it's working. With these small switches, some parameters of the speed controller can be programmed. The first one defines the driving mode. Forward, brake, reverse, or forward and directly reverse with activated drag brake. And on the right side, the braking force can be adjusted. As you can see, I have activated the drag brake and set it to 50% power. Now I turn on the transmitter and connect the battery cable. And yes, it works. It's easy and good controllable. The ESC and motor combo works well and the truck can be moved very slow. Here you can see the working drive shafts and how slowly I can turn the drivetrain. The steering angle is very good, so the truck can make tight turns. With the third channel, the lights can be switched on and off via this switch. There is only one small thing I would like to improve. I will add some frames to the windows for better contrast. I use this black permanent marker for that. Here you can see the result. Looks better in my opinion. I'm adding some black details on the lights here as well, and a black line on the fenders. Now I'm ready for the first run. I'm looking forward to it. The truck already feels very good here on my bench. I think it will perform well on the trails. And because of its small size, it can be used in smaller areas, even inside the house. Of course, a running video will follow, so stay tuned to see this. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And please give me a thumbs up for this video if you liked it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.